I'll analyze one other photo on this group on Instagram, Apollo program. So go all the way down to 12th of January. So obviously I think that's 12th of January, possibly last year. Just keep going down. I'm just trying to see myself how far down we go. I think these are posted every day. So April, yes, as this year, January. Just keep going down. He's got heaps of posts on this one. Okay, we reached this photo here. It's 12th of January. It's Apollo 13. So basically they have orbited the moon. So it happened on the way back, I think. Now this is important. The photo down there, I'm going to analyze this area here. If you look very closely there, there's a round sphere coming out of that square opening. There's some very strange structures there. There's a sphere there with a few openings and rectangular shape objects there. There's another large object on that hill, and here we've got unusual objects down there. So we'll go to this area first, that whole photo there, and then we'll start first on this sphere, work to that object, then we come to this object. Okay, so I'm going to show the whole photo there, the sphere, these objects there, and then that square shaped object with sphere there and openings. This is the best I can do in this photo. So you see that sphere coming out of that square opening. That's all I can do. It's a very rough photo. Now, it's unusual because at that stage they had even the spy plane that used to go around the world in those years that had clearer photos than the moon photos here. So I think they purposely didn't make them that clear. That's one other photo. You might see some little openings there. It's very hard to grasp. This is that photo where it's got that object coming out there and round openings in that sphere. So it's very strange that you have these round openings there. That's probably as much as I can enlarge it. It's not that clear. I'm not happy with the quality. That's at one more angle, so you can see that opening, that object comes out, and then you got that object there. I'm not that happy. The next objects appear right there, so just past the spaceship itself, the Apollo 13. That object there, so I'm going to try to zoom in for a clearer. See how that's unusual? It's got a sphere there, little objects right there. That to me is unusual. So see what I'm trying to get at? Right there, that area. So I'll try to zoom in the other photo. That's the structures right there. Again, I'm not that happy with the quality. I'll try to enlarge a fraction, but I'm not that happy. Something's there. There's a dome and that pattern. This is the one I was doing before. This is clearer. You see the round dome, and then you got that there with a few openings there. Let's have a close look if you can see the openings. There's something there. See those little black openings there? And there's like a sphere which comes above the ground. There's an excavation there, the object comes out. And then you've got these openings, and the structure looks like it's there in the shadows. And that beautiful big dome coming out, 1, 2, 3 openings. Now, I can't get it clearer. If I enlarge it, it blurs it. The next area we try to zoom in is that structure coming right there, up out of the corner. So I'll zoom in on that structure next photo. It's no good, the photo has pixels. You see that round dome coming up there, and those, again, openings there. I can't go closer because the pixel blur will ruin it. See what I'm trying to get at? You've got the dome coming up and then the openings there. Now I'll try to come into that area there, and then this type of right angle image you see there next to that round there. See that right angle wall there next to that round object. So first this one here, then that one there. That's the right side. So there's a lot of unusual objects coming up there, but nothing I can put my finger on. And there's that right angle shape. So there's one entrance there, then you've got a complete right angle shape there, like a wall or something. Again, picture quality not that good.